Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today we're looking at a Knight Rider car that has come out in the mainline with the flames, and I've also got a 3D printed Knight Rider display that I've got found for free on MakerWorld. So I thought I'd show those both off along with the original Knight Rider car. So what we'll do is, before we show off the 3D area, let's have a look at this. With flames, I don't know why it's with flames. I don't think the show had one with flames, did it? I know there was Kit, and then there was, who was the other one? The baddie. I had to put a comment down below, I can't actually remember. But screen time, car, there's the ID number. Not much else on this. I am going to open it up, and it will end up on my display wall. Can we get that to focus in? There we go, thank you. Some decent flames. Hang on, got a little dark there. There we go. So we've got a full interior, even got the steering wheel, the right shape. Don't have a dash on it though, that's a bit of a shame. Side windows are open. No rear number plate on this one. Looks like plastic. Okay, it's a plastic bit there. So comparing that with the, I think this was a premium. Yeah, so this one's actually got the, is it Knight? Yeah, number plate. Same inside, so it's a little bit lighter colour interior. But another one for the collection, we do have the light bar thing at the front. This guy's got a metal base, this one's got a plastic base, and so that's the premium. I have shown that off before. This is a, no, I had it the right way up. Universal City Studios. Get that there. 2024 Universal City Studios. Doesn't say Kit anywhere on it. But, yes it does, right at the back corner there. Well, that's interesting. Okay. And what year was that? It's a 2024. Okay. We do have also 5-spoke wheels on this one. Where, what do we have on the original ones? It's sealed, isn't it? Yeah. So definitely different. I will have it on display here though. So let's get this thing down here. So Knight Rider 2000. It's got all the basic pictures and stuff on it. Knight Industries. This is actually an indentation. I have glued this one all together now, but all of these parts here are indentated in the print, and including the Kit Knight Industries 2000. This part here is lower down this end, higher in the middle, and lower down that end. And I opted for the 2 parking bay with a magnetic front clip of garage door that sits in there. So yeah, so these are available for free on makerworld.com. Give the guy some thumbs up or whatever it might be that you want. If you get it from him, I've done that myself. Boost it if you're actually a 3D printer with Bamboo Labs. So now we can actually have 2 cars in there, and I could probably even get a car lift in there. I do have another one of these packed away, and I also have one from about 10 years ago in the more blister pack bubble Knight Rider collectibles. Not going to be opened, so I don't mind the Knight Rider. I think I was a big fan of it growing up. So there you go, a new flamed Kit car along with a premium and a 3D printed display. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will show off a bunch more of these in the future as well. Cheers.